Hello, my dear friends, my dear students. I hope you all are studying good in this lockdown period. And now the AIMS exam date has been released. It's 5th of June. So you have 30 days to go for exam. Okay. So please try to focus every subjects you have, and let's say you have 30 days to go exam. So if you see your subjects, it is 18 to 19 subjects. So what you have to do is you have enough time to complete all your subjects. You can give one day to each subject because you have already prepared. My dear students, don't panic, okay? And whatever subject you are feeling difficult, or you want to take it for 2 days, make a list of those subjects in which you want more time, like say 2 days, but not more than that. Try to complete it, okay? So for, like, personally, what I feel is for pharmac you can take 2 days, OP and radiology you can take 2 days, and concentum and prosto you can take 2 days. Else every subject you can complete in one single day. Okay, start revising everything, whatever notes you have prepared, whatever books you have read, and very nicely read each and every point of the important points given, and what all you had felt while preparation that it is important. You should cover all that, okay? And if you are taking one subject a day, please try to complete it one day, because it will be complete. It is not that you won't able to complete, it will get complete if you really sit and try to complete, okay? And now that you have 30 days, let's say plan your schedule for exam for 25 days, so that if you get delay in any of the subjects, you can cover afterwards, okay? Now the next thing which I want to tell, that when you are reading the subject, okay, for suppose you are taking anatomy for one day, where the point which you have missed earlier, or the point which you feel that you won't remember, please make a note of it in a separate notebook, okay? So that in the last 3 or 4 days you will read only that noted point in a separate notebook. In the last 3 or 4 days, you won't get time to see each and everything once again for revision, okay? So for revision, you first when now it is the time to note the point, or the concept, or the, like, match the following, or one liners question, you or the numericals, the values, okay? While studying DM, you might, now also while revision, you might get some point, or might get some values where you are getting, again you are stuck in there, okay? So you might stuck in every subject, you will get that points, even though you have revised it for 3 times or 4 times. Now also when you will study, you will get some or the other points where you will feel that you won't remember it till exam. So that I want to tell you very strictly, that please while studying, please make a note of that in a separate notebook, so that you can revise it at the end, or you can see that, okay, this point I was or this concept I was weak, so I have to see it this. And please try to while revision, please try to solve one question paper of the previous years, so that you will get to know that from where the questions have been asked very frequently, so that you will know that from which topic you have to focus and where to not. Because now the period, this period of 1 month, is not that you have to study or you have to work hard for each and everything. Now you have to do very precisely and very smartly, okay? So now the key is to revise everything very thoroughly, make a note of thing in a separate notebook for revision afterwards, and to solve your previous year's question paper. That's it. And there's no time to panic, and there's no thing to think. Okay, don't just sit and start thinking that in 1 month you won't be able to complete, or negative thoughts. Don't think that way. Okay, if you want, you can do. And if the person is studying for 10 hours or 12 hours or whatever he has done the whole year, or the for previous exam, it doesn't matter what you are doing for this 1 month, 20 days, it will matter. Okay, so just focus, just sit and complete your target, the question paper and the revision. Okay, okay, all the best.